Here we go. Here we go. We have just finished the double bottom example. All right. Now we are going to learn about the triple tops and triple bottoms. Why triple tops and triple bottoms are very important. In the last example, we understood, right, that the market is coming from down, extreme down, then breaking out the resistance. At the point it's breaking out the resistance, it's again coming back to retest it, creating a double bottom and then moving up, extreme up. And that is our trade opportunity, right? Now the triple top is a place where the market has been testing the price again and again and again. Now these are completely identical price range, and whenever 3 times you guys will see an identical price ranging at a price point, it's a trading opportunity. That is why we have taken this buy trade. As soon as we see on a small time frame a resistance getting broken, that's why we enter at this place, keeping the lowest part of the nearest wick or the nearest swing low as our stop loss and our TP. All right, so where will the TP go? The TP will be extreme high, but how much will be the risk and reward? This we will learn in a few topics after. All right, let's finish the structures first. So the triple top I have explained you. Let's learn about the triple bottom. So there is a resistance here. All right, this one, it is getting tested again and again and again. It's quite simple to understand, right? I don't think anybody of you will have any issues in understanding this, right? The market came down on a small time frame in this area. We checked when the support is getting broken. As soon as it got broken, we entered into the area. This is our entry point, and then keeping the last swing high candle end, the wicks end, we kept it as the stop loss, and the TP of course to the extreme high above then from where it started in the first stance, right? We're gonna learn about the risk and reward afterwards. So let's finish up the next. All right, I hope you guys understand. If you did not understand anything in this topic, watch it again and it will be easy. All right, watch it again.